Tomorrow is Monday, 18th of December. Um, so last Friday it was not bad. After the Fed meeting, and there is a possible rate cut next year, so the federal interest rate will not go up for the next couple of months at least, and they will actually uh, decrease it, and they will make a rate cut next year. So that's kind of a positive news. And after that, Tesla went up. Uh, it was quite obvious. But again, on last Friday, it actually came down to 247, and the highest point was 253 something. So it was in between 247 and 253. And again, at around 3 p.m., the market actually, when it came down, but it actually bounced back above the VWAP line, and it touched again before closing 253. So the next day, I mean, tomorrow, Monday, uh, probably it should go up. The next point, immediate point I see is 259, and then 268 and 264 and 268. That's what I see. But at this point, I don't really think it it should not go down from this point. Maybe a little bit pullback, maybe a little bit pullback to 247 or 241, but the possibility is to go up uh, uh, right now. So far, it's not bad. The market is not bad, and there is no top signal. There is no top signal at all. The only signal is showing right now is to go up. And not only the candlestick pattern, also the market news, and do not really see any negative news so far. So the market should go up in the next week, like from Monday, from tomorrow. The entire week should be bullish. It should touch to 264 or 268. Very, very normal. So let's see what happens.